Hello, in this video I want to show you our new feature, which is bulk assign images. To use this feature you should have your images in a specific format. So your images needs to be grouped together like you see in this image, and for all the orange images are together, then all black images comes together, and then all green images comes together, and then all the first images of the group are assigned to the main variant image. So here you see main first image of the group is assigned to orange, and first image of the green is assigned to green variant, and same for black. Main image of the group, first image, is assigned to black variant image. So let me show you actually how this works. So here I have the example category, so you can choose here any category. I have here sport shoes, and then I want to organize this product, for example. And let me first show you how this product looks like. So it has basically two images, and in this format which I mentioned before. And let's go back and choose. It will ask you based on which option our images are changing. So because we want images to change based on color, we are going to select this option, and then we will see preview images. So it will show us, if our format is correct, of course, it will show us how images are detected. So for black it detected these images, and for blue these images. We can also check another product as well, which is I'm going to check our other product in the group and see if it also works correctly. Again, I'm going to choose color, and then when I'm scrolling down I see that all the images are assigned correctly, and if everything looks good, then you can choose here all products or specific selected products. I will just for this example select again these two products, and let me choose that collection. I'm choosing just these two products, and I will start a bulk assign. When we are starting bulk assign, the job will run in the background, and this job basically will assign images based on what it's showed you in the preview. So now I can click on this product, and then I can go to assign variant images, and I see it's already assigned variant images for me. So basically it will do configuration for us if we have our images organized in a specific way. So that's the alternative way for us to basically assign our variant images. Yeah, you can find this feature under bulk assign, and after you run your first job you will see here other jobs as well. You can run as much as you want, do it for different products, but yeah, don't forget, most important thing here is to have images grouped together, so all the same colors should come together, and the main image should be first and then other images, and all the first images of the group needs to be assigned to related variants. Then you can use this feature to bulk assign your products, and you can do it for 100 products at once. So there's no at the moment any limits. So based on your plan you can all bulk assign all the images. Yes, thank you very much and have a great day.